All right, welcome back today, traders. It is a beautiful and sunny day today here in PA. Sun is shining, birds are chirping, and I hope you're out there enjoying this beautiful afternoon in what we call life. That being said, traders, let's get into another trade recap. Today I took just one trade, and even though it ended up being a loser, it was still a good step forward in terms of structure and risk management. I did not trade that first 15-minute window, and I stayed even more disciplined and waited until after 10 a.m. as we had that scheduled news dropped. As the morning developed, we ended up breaking through and ultimately rejecting a key level. I did want to short this area, but news was right at 10 a.m. Don't want to get caught up with that. We waited. Big rejection. Chopped a little bit, rejected again. And it was at this point I was looking for that short as we started to have more bearish confluence on the larger time frames. We were going back and forth on this TTM. We were getting some teal in here that was switching back. And I know this is teal, but it was red when I originally got in. And as you see here, here's the thesis. We broke structure down. We rejected that Asia high. And while we were lower on this red on the TTM, we were still expanding down. And I was looking for that push momentum continuation to this first key level, TP1 of 24 to 20. We did not get that. I did understand that probability wise there was a good chance that this could go against me, given we had found a base in this range 2-3 times before. I was just looking for that momentum continuation push through, and as you see here, I thought we could then get a retest of that New York morning actual open and then a rejection, and I was looking for that second key level of 24,179, 24,180. As you see, we've got some support in this range. We ultimately did not get that. We broke back up and I was stopped out. I was okay remaining in this trade as long as we were below this morning Asia high. I thought we could still reject and push down through this TP1, which we did. I was just early, and I'm going to tell you why I felt comfortable entering when I did, although I understood that probability wasn't in my favor. This VIXie, we're teal. We're about to turn green. We are pushing through a key level. This is where I had gotten in. We then immediately rejected and then made that push up, which we see here. The Qs then pushed down. We rejected a key level and went through that TP1. This would have been a beautiful trade. This was about 114 points. Would have been absolutely phenomenal. But again, we were a little bit early. We should not have been shorting this range, although we were looking for momentum. Probability tells you more than likely it's going to go against you, which it did. We got stopped out, but that's okay. Thesis was correct, and again, we were looking for that momentum continuation push through this key level. We got it later. We did get faked out on the VIXie, but that's okay. Things happen. Correct thesis. A little bit early. Need a little bit more patience. That being said, I am very happy with how I traded. Walked away after this trade after it went against me. We come back for the other accounts. Have not been trading well, and you're at one of these points where it seemed like everything was going well last month. These last 2 weeks, the script has flipped. You just gotta buckle down, get back to basics. I did scale down. As you see, I am on the micros as opposed to the minis, and I'll be trading pretty much between 5 and 10 contracts per trade, typically 6 to 10, as 10 micros equal one actual mini, as I need to learn to let my runners run more, and just given how things have gone with these account sizes, these funded accounts, you can't lose more than 30% of the account size in a day. I need to be even more structured, more disciplined, and in that systematic rules-based approach. As I'm not sure today if I broke a rule, the 30% rule today, or if I blew this account, one of the two. If so, we have 2 of 5 funded left. Again, just have to buckle down, become more patient, take these key levels rather than try to push through momentum and chase a little bit. That being said, traders, thank you for tuning in. I hope you found value in this. Drop a like. Stay up, stay blessed, stay positive, make it happen.